Pastep jokan riu tarik ujemang arjar arpsau, kawai ke samla pule, kabala tip kerteng, kum ka Diana, Dimre, CH Marak, arpsau senam karda, kaba pule ha Shillong Polytechnic, kala siem yala ke jong ke jingim, da kaba phasi. Na kelengi pulit jong kabalai PS hadin bekeliyo jingtip, na unong pahara jong kene ke jaga pule, mar kila leja kene ke jaga, banle ya kaba don kam. Halor kini ke jingjia na kaleng ka tenat pulit, kala penlong ya ke jing doket, na baro kiliang halor ka e ka daw ba penlong ya ka ni ka kena samla bakan siem ya la ka jong ka jingim.
Hi.
At Polytechnic.
Yes. So today early morning, Molai PS got information from warden of women hostel at Shillong Polytechnic Institute at Molai that one lady had committed suicide by hanging, and that this fact was discovered at around 2 a.m. approximately at around 2 a.m.
Sir, any reason could be ascertained?
We are working on that, and it is under investigation.
Any reason means any person arrested?
No, right now we are treating it as a matter of suicide, and however we are not ruling out anything, and we are investigating from all angles, and the matter is under investigation.
Is the post-mortem done?
It is not yet completed. After that, the mortal remains will be handed over to the family members.